Welcome back. Thanks for staying with us. In the health report this evening, Shamela Pullen looks at fibroids.
Fibroids are non-cancerous tumors that grow in the wall of the uterus. The condition is common in the Caribbean. Consultant obstetrician and gynecologist Dr. Kathy Madan says the condition is 2 to 3 times more likely to affect Afro-Caribbean women than Caucasians. At her private practice, she sees 5 out of 10 women with the condition. Many women who have fibroids don't have any symptoms, while those who do, symptoms are influenced by the location, size, and the number.
Most persons with fibroids present to the clinic or to their gynecologist because of abnormal bleeding. That is the most devastating effect a condition could have on any woman. They are bleeding heavily. For what should be 5 or 7 days is now 10, 14 days, sometimes extending through to the next cycle. It can cause significant embarrassment. It can cause them to become anemic.
Some women also experience pain and appear pregnant.
And in that instance, they can have compression of the surrounding organs, causing constipation, increased passage of urine, swelling to their legs, back pain, and sometimes clots can form in the legs as well that can be life-threatening to them. Apart from that, patients can also present to us because of infertility or subfertility related to the location of the fibroids. And also, they may get pregnant, but their risk of having a miscarriage is also higher, dependent on the fibroid is in a location where pregnancies tend to implant.
The cause of fibroids is unknown, but genetics and hormones seem to play a role. Fibroids can be treated, but that depends on the size. Medication and surgery are usually the main options.
Now, surgery can be just removing the fibroids only, or removing the entire uterus. And the choice is dependent on your fertility. So where you are in your reproductive age. If you want to have kids, then clearly removing the uterus is not your best option. You would have to remove the fibroids only. And if you're finished having kids, you are absolutely sure you don't want any more, then your gynecologist may recommend to you just removing the uterus in totality.
With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen, wishing you good health.